Hi guys. So Jim's a total Midwest Wisconsin DIY guy, and when he swapped these bulbs in our garage door opener, he went with these Amazon Basics A19 LED light bulbs because they just make sense. They're a 60-watt equivalent, but only use 9 watts, so you get the brightness you want while using up to 85% less energy, which is exactly the kind of why pay more upgrade that Jim and I love. They fit standard fixtures with that E26 base, and they're dimmable. So you can go from bright, practical light to a softer glow depending on what you're doing. And the best part? They're made to last up to 10,000 hours, which is about 9 hours if you're using them around 3 hours a day. So you're not constantly replacing bulbs. Simple install, reliable light, and one of those small home upgrades that feels like a win every time you flip the switch. As an Amazon influencer, I share products I genuinely use and recommend. I may earn a small commission. It never costs you more. Thank you so much for supporting my work.